Hi guys, in this video I'll try to fix a very important problem when running a web-based application inside the NetBeans IDE. I have deployed and opened this project called Chat Demo YouTube, which I presented on my previous video, and I left it for around 15 minutes, and if I'm lucky I can show you what happens after 15 minutes. It might not respond at all. I clicked on view, nothing happens. It's not responding. To fix this, I just tried to refresh the page. Now it works. So a quick dirty hack to fix it might be to set a HTML meta refresh tag to refresh the page every some time interval, maybe every minute, because when it froze after 15 minutes I tried to refresh the page and it's working now. So that's what I'm gonna do. So the objective of this video is as follows: deployed pages become unresponsive after a set amount of time, requiring a refresh of page. We are going to automatically refresh the page in a set time interval to fix this. But before we go on to the fix, I'm gonna introduce to you a template page and the faceless tags, and then give some examples of using faceless tags and the template page, and then we'll go on to fix the issue by using HTML meta refresh tag. First I will explain to you what template and the client pages are, and also what faceless tags are. Faceless tags are these four that is used inside the template and the client page. It basically provides a standard layout for your view pages. So if you don't, there's a compartmentalization of how view pages are managed. This is a sample template page. Here, this is the one unit. Insert tag is where you can define yep. So here we have define tag. Define tag matches the insert tag by its name. So here the name was content. Sorry, not the ID. The name of the insert tag is content. And this is, if define tag is not specified, it will instead load this page, command contact. So that's the this one. Inside the composition, you will load this header in place here. Sorry, here. Another thing is here the any content outside the composition tag will be ignored. So here the template attributes is used to load the template page, and as I showed you, inside the common layout template page there was a tag insert with a name content, and there's also an insert with name footer. Here the define tags replace the values inside the insert tag. So here it changes the content with, this is page 1 content, but originally was common content. Originally it was, this is default content, like here over here, but after defining the content, it's now page 1 content replaced. Same thing with footer. This is page 1 footer. So that's what it is. Okay, this is our project chat demo YouTube. I'll just close this. Here's a template. There are 3 inserts inside the head, inside the title tag. Inside the body there are 2 inserts, title and body. We'll just open a XHTML page from the project. Here you can see there's a composition tag. So outside of the composition tag they will be ignored, and the template attribute is the template, so it refers back to the template. There's an insert name called title, so there should be a defined name called title. So the title value is the bundle property, which is bundle list chat main title. Oh. Equals list. I'll just run this just to show you. Title is list. Here the first insert is inside the head and inside the title. So what happens is the title here is list. and the second is inside the body. So this is replaced by list as well. So that's list. The second insert is named body. So second define is equal to body. So we are replacing this with all of this. Okay. I'm gonna make a small change from template and see how the change is propagated across all of the view pages. So I'll try to do I'll make an insert. What's it? Let me spell what. That's alright. So what will happen is this text will appear on every view page, like every one of these, and every one of these, every one of these. You will have copyleft at the bottom. Of course, you can modify it by using the define tag in one of these pages, and it will be, this text will be replaced by whatever you define in these pages. So let's run it. HTML page is not affected because it's not a XHTML page, but I'll go to users. Oh, I know why. You need to clean and build. Now try again. Yep. Now you can see copyleft login. So second page, copyleft login, copyleft login. So it works. Just to show you that this is not affected because this page is not an XHTML page. It's actually a it's an XML page, but it's not referred. It's the index. It's not referred to by template. It's a separate page. So if you put something down here, it will be reflected. I'll do it. This is index. Now separate. I'll show you. This is index. I'll just make it neater. Yep, this is index, but this is copyleft. Copyleft. Oops. Copyleft. Yeah. So every page, even the create page, has the copyleft. So view has it. Edit has it. Every page has it because it refers to the template. Now I'll override the insert in one of the pages and see how it goes. The name is copyleft, so I'll do it in the chat main list page. I have to do it inside the composition. So I go UI define name, copy left. I'll just go Logan's right around. Now you only affect this one page, list page of chat main. Yep. So in others, just copy left, but in this one page, it changes to Logan's copy around. You can override by using the define tag on any of these pages, and it will be different from the default value. So it all refers back to the template page, or you can override them. Okay, so I've done this. Now we're gonna introduce the proposed fix for this dying page problem. We're gonna use meta refresh tag. So inside the header we have to put this in. This one refreshes every 30 seconds. I'm gonna change it back to a shorter time interval and see if it actually refreshes. So we copy this. I'm gonna try to make a change to just one page, the same one, the list page of the chat main. I'm not sure it works or not because it's not inside the head tag. I could make a head tag inside the composition tag, but for now let's try it. Oh, what's this? Okay. Every 3 seconds. I'm gonna run this. Let's see it works. Nope, doesn't seem to work. Let's try it on all pages. So that's template. Let's run on all pages. Why it's not working? Well, I think it is refreshing. I think let's just run template. Yep, it's working. Yep, that's working. Let's clean and build again. Does this work? It's not doing it. The template works. template works. In the other page, in the other project I've done at work, it works. So I have to fix this. Just should work. Let me just list. Yeah, it's working. Yep. So let's try. Oh, okay. It's the main. It's the index. So I have to go to. Yep, it's working. Yep, this is a index XHTML. It's just separate from the template. So I'll do users. Yep. Can you see it changes? Yep. Reasons. Yep. Changes every 3 seconds. Chat main. Yep. So I'll do maybe edit. View. Yeah, it's a problem because it refers back to this page. Even if I view, it goes back to the list. So I have to fix that, but that's another story. I have to change this to maybe like longer period to give time for people to view it or edit it or create it. There's another issues to solve. So I've done refresh for all pages or refresh for a single page. Oh no, I didn't do the single page. I'll try to do the single page now. List of chatmate. Try to run it. Yep, it's working. So I put the inside the composition tag. I put the what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Did I? Shit. Just run it for now. Should not. I think. Oh, okay. See ya. Save it. Inside the composition tag. Put it in. Yep, it's working. Yep. So now only the list page of the chat main will be refreshed. All others will not, because I removed them from the template. So let's try it. users. Still working. Why is that? What? Why is it? Try again. Still refreshing, I don't know why. Maybe clean it. Build it. No. No, it doesn't. No, it actually does. I'm not sure why it's... Oh, okay. So, oops. I forgot to delete this. Yep, so I've deleted from the template. It might not work now. So let's try it. Yeah, it's not working now. It's not working. Maybe maybe I'll try this. Yep, do that. Yeah, maybe just get rid of it. Meta refresh. Inside the composition, define name. Define name. Refresh. Get this in. Try that. Meta refresh. I hope it works, but it doesn't. If it doesn't, I'll just move on. Yeah, it works. Yep. It should not work with all other pages because I removed it from the template. So let's check. Yes. Users. Doesn't work. Reasons. Doesn't work. Chat main, it should work. Yep, it works. So it only works on one page now. So I've done that. The test post after refresh. Okay, I'll try that now. Then I need to get this back here and get rid of this. Oops. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Actually, does it work if I put it like get rid of refresh? I left the meta refreshed in the list, so I'll just try again. The template doesn't have it. Yep. So let's clean and build. Yep, shouldn't work here. Shouldn't work here. And it should work here. Yep, it works. So look. Yep, another one. Yeah, it works. So it works as I intended. So put the refresh here in the template again, and remove it from here. Now we will refresh on all pages. And what I'm gonna do is try to post something and see what's the effect. So it should work on all. Oh, I need to refresh again. I need to clean again. Yeah. It should work. Now it works. Reasons. Yep. Yep. So I'm gonna test if I try to post something what's the effect is. I think it will just bring me back to here. So if I try to create a new one, it just brings me back to here. So I'll test it further and just brings it back to the main page. It won't give me a time to write stuff, so I gotta fix that. So I can't do it here, but I'm gonna leave the page open for like extended periods, maybe 24 hours, and see first, the most important thing, does it keep alive? And if I leave it for longer periods, does it keep alive still? And I'm gonna customize further, like maybe remove the destroy option from the list, stuff like that. So yeah, so it remains to be seen if the refresh actually fixes the problem and keep this page alive after prolonged periods. I will update it in the description after uploading it to YouTube what happens next. Thank you, and everything works as I intended.